Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Backpay Media. I hope everyone is doing well, and today I'm going to make a tutorial again on 3D but with a special effect of shatter glass. So I hope you will enjoy. So without any further ado, just go to our screen. So first I will be taking one template. I have taken the YouTube thumbnail template, but I have resized it a little bit. I have taken 1350 width. So if the normal regular one is okay with you, then it's fine. Otherwise you can change it for making this particular effect. Now I will be taking a couple of photographs, a gym photograph. I'm going to use this one. So I'll take it, right click, set as background. Now again I will take it because I'm going to use it for the second time. Next I'm going to type karate and I'm going to take this picture. You can choose any picture you feel like. I particularly used this one. This is not having any background as such. Guys, now I will go to photos only and I have typed shattered glass to get this effect, this particular shattered glass. And then I will have to, so these three elements I have taken again. Now I will go to elements and I will type phone frame. As you can see, I have typed phone frame and I have chosen one phone frame as per my requirement. You can choose any frame as per your need. Now I'll play with this background. What do I have to do is to make it more realistic. I will go to edit image. I will go to adjustment. Then okay, so I am going to make the blur 3 and saturation -70. Okay, now you see the difference. Okay, now I will be bringing this phone out here, position it, and now I will take this photo on the phone and it will automatically take. Now I'll have to double click on the photo and I'll have to make it as big as the back one. Okay, and try to adjust it as per the size of the photo in original. Okay, so I have got the original similar to original the background image of the photo. Then I can click outside. Now see, this image is more vibrant than the back one, so background one, so that it looks more realistic. Okay, that's the reason I made the background blurry. Okay, now I will bring my subject here. I don't need to remove the background because I have already got one image which is removed. Now you see, when I bring it here, it kind of sucks the image, so I don't want that. I will press Ctrl, and if I bring it here, it does not do that. So I'll have to make it large enough. So my image is rightly placed inside the mobile. I will make it this way, vertical. Now I will go to edit image and then BG remover. Okay, so I will have to position it again, press shift, otherwise it will come at the back, it will go at the back of the mobile. So I will make it little larger so that it looks. Now I have positioned it in the right way, see, and now keeping it selected, I will go to blur and I will just little bit, I'll just blur it a little bit so that my main image can get seen. Okay, okay, now what I need to do is I need to click over here on this main subject and then I'll have to duplicate the photo. Control and then position it in the right way, and then you will have to crop it. See, crop it in such a way so that this glass comes out. Here is also, here also. That's it. Because I just want this leg to be seen as if it is coming out. So see, as soon as I did this, what happened? The glass part has gone at the back of this cropped image. The cropped image is this much only because we want only the foot coming out from the shatter glass. So this is the final effect which I made here as well. So only tricky part over here would be cropping this duplicate image which if you can do correctly, then you will get awesome effect like this. So that was today's tutorial, guys. So I hope you liked my tutorial today. If you have any question about this sort of an effect, where you can use or what else you can do with shatter glass, do give me your comment. What else you want me to make on different such effects, which I keep using and making awesome effects out of that. So let me know if you want something specific, then I will try to make another specific video on that. With that, I will be signing off for today. I would definitely request you to give me a big thumbs up if you have liked my video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell button and select all notifications so that you keep getting notifications whenever I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Those are my social media handles. So today till here, and I'll see you on my next video with such awesome tricks and tips from Canva. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.